Hi guys, this video is going to be all about 2021 New Year's resolution. That's right. 2020 is going out the door and 2021 is rushing in. So we're not going to wait until January 1st to actually start thinking about what we want to do for the new year. So in this video, I'm going to discuss 7 great ideas for financial resolutions that you guys can try to implement. So stay tuned and continue watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Okay guys, so the first idea I have is going to be to start a budget. You may say like where, like, or how do I actually start? So the best thing that I can tell you to do is instead of or how to actually build upon starting a budget is to go back and find out, what have I been spending money on? Have I been excess spending? Have I been not allocating money to a particular area and it's fallen short? So what I do is at the end of the year, I go through my budget, or correction, I go through my bank account statements. And I see, like, I go, okay, I'm spending a lot of money on eating out. I'm spending this X amount of dollars on gas a week. Actually not paying my bills on time, so I'm getting hit with these excess charges. So what I do is I look at last year or the current year and I see where can I improve so that I can have a projection of where I'm trying to go for the next year. So that's how you start a budget. I'm going to go into more detail on actually starting a budget because I'm going to do a video that's separate from that. But this is just me giving you ideas and to see if that may be something you may want to think about. And then you can look at one of my other videos on actually starting a budget. Okay, so the second thing is going to be you may have a New Year's resolutions to cut out excess spending. I'm speaking for myself, guys. I spend money on frivolous things. Like, I have this thing where I have a new house. So I like buying what I call knickknacks, okay? That's my word for it. It's called knickknacks. It means like little things to like add accessory pieces. Okay, take for instance my desk. I have this. I went to Burlington and I got this because it went with my rose gold colored, theme of rose gold and pink and gold. So I was like, oh my God, this is so cute. It has this little gold fake nugget on it. Okay, guys, let's be honest. This was $16. I didn't need it, but I did it. So next year, I'm cutting out excess spending. I'm not spending money on frivolous things. I'm not buying clothes. I don't need any more clothes. I have a 3-bedroom home and my master closet is full. I have things in this closet, but hey, we're not going to get into that. I'm changing, so okay. Moving on. Number 3, I'm going to try to do certain days as completely no spend days, okay? So I'm going to try to not spend anything from Friday to Saturday. I'm not spending anything, maybe, because Fridays I get paid. And sometimes when you get paid, you spend more on the day you get paid because you're like, I just got paid. I'm excited. It's the end of the week. I'm just ready to just relieve stress, and we spend excessively on things because we know for sure the money is there. So I'm going to try to do no spend days on Friday, from Friday when I get off of work till Saturday, and maybe on Sunday you can spend something. Okay. 4, you may want to try to pay off debt or pay down debt. It depends on how much debt you're in. I'm going to do videos on that as well, on how or different ways you can go about paying down debt or actually paying it off altogether. But maybe that's something you want to look into doing. It depends on, what your objectives are for the new year, and having less debt allows you to have more money to give away to charities or to your churches, or give to your family. Whatever you have in your heart, your passion is, give towards your passion. Or it frees up money for your business. It may be something you're doing. You may have a YouTube channel or something, or you have excess things that you want to buy just to do a startup. Then Eliminating debt can help that, but we'll have another video for that. These are just ideas. Okay, number 5, people. It's going to be to start a side hustle. I'm not going to tell you how important this is to earn extra income. Earning extra income is a big freedom. It doesn't matter if you're only earning $100 a week extra. I'm telling you, it makes a difference when you didn't have it before, and now you have the extra $100. Like you can do. Well, I'm going to do a video on that too. Okay, guys, I get too carried away, but let's just talk ideas. Okay, number 6 is going to be you might want to just pay your bills on time. I have this bad. Okay, the channel is to keep myself honest, so I'm gonna tell the truth. Okay, so I have this thing where I would have, like, before I would, in starting my budget, I would create, here's Priest, what I told you guys. I would have where I have the money in the account, but I simply forget what day it is, and I don't pay it on time. And then I'm like going back like, well, did I pay the light bill? You know, because this is my first time living like on my own. So it's like, did I pay the light bill? And it's like, I have the money in there, but it's not on auto pay. So I'm going to teach you guys ways of making sure that you pay, like, or get it on auto pay. And sometimes when you have it on auto pay, they give you a discount or they'll charge you less. But if you don't pay your bills on time, they hit you with these fees. So just think about if you didn't even have the money to begin with to pay it. Now it's late, so now there's another fee. If you didn't have the initial payment, how are you going to have the excess fee? So we're going to work on all of that. These are some good ideas that you might want to try to implement. Okay, the other thing is going to be you may want to start doing free things. I did not realize how many people don't do things or just stay in the house because they're like, I don't have money to do this and I don't have money to do that. And I'm like, it's so much free stuff out here that you can do. You can, you know, go with your family. Like I'm a big family person, totally a big family person. So you could go to the park, you could go bike riding, you know, you could go play basketball at the rec park, you can go for a run. There are a lot of things that you can do that can actually have a family friendly surrounding or atmosphere and totally free. So these are 7 ideas that I've given you guys. If you guys have any more ideas for New Year's resolution that's dealing with your finances, please comment down below and tell me what your ideas are, or tell me what you're already knowing that you're going to implement in the comment section, and maybe you guys can have something in common. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share. And they say cash is king, but not anymore. Cash is queen. Love you.
Listen, if it ain't about the money, woo, it ain't about nothing. I'm talking about a real big bag. I ain't talking about no chump change. If it ain't about the money.